Hey guys, this is Mike from Caveman Weights. So this is going to be a tutorial of how to make your own weights. So here's everything you'll need. So I have a 45-pound mold, the reinforcement wire, the PVC pipe, a hot glue gun, a bucket for water, a wheelbarrow. You can also use a mixing tub, high-strength concrete mix, and a flat blade shovel. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is hot glue the PVC sleeve here to the center of the mold. The mold has a little dimple right there in the middle. So we're going to put hot glue on the 2-inch sleeve and line it up so that's right in the middle. Alright, so you have to be kind of fast with this. Make sure your hot glue gun is nice and hot. I like to set it on high just so that it flows better. And I'm just going to run a bead around here and put it on the center of the mold. And just be careful not to burn it yourself, because you know, it's hot. Just line up like a bullseye right in the middle, and you're good to go. So this is designed so that you can use the 2-inch that is supplied in the kit, or you can buy your own 1-inch PVC and use that instead. So that would work with a standard barbell. But the kit has a 2-inch that works with Olympic barbells. Okay, now is the time if you want to use some kind of mold release oil, you spray it in there. So you could spray, some people use Pam cooking oil, some people use PB Blaster, some people use silicone spray. You can find it at any automotive store. I've had pretty good luck just using nothing. I just wash my molds out afterwards with soap water and a brush. As you can see, I've already used this mold before. You just want to mix the concrete, you know, nice and thoroughly. You know, whatever ward you put in. Alright, so right now, this is the consistency that you know, you'll get when you follow the directions exactly for how much water to add. It's not really workable for molding. So I'm going to add maybe 1 or 2 more cups of water. Alright, so this looks like it's pretty good. So we're ready to pour this. Alright, now it's time to level the concrete. So I'm just going to spread it out by hand. This is way more concrete than I need, so I'll throw a little bit back in the wheelbarrow. Alright, so it's a good technique to give your mold a twist. It helps get rid of air bubbles and also helps to level the concrete. So this side is a little high, so I'm just going to scoop it all out by hand. A little bit too much. And also make sure to, you know, take out the concrete from inside the hole, because that's where the barbell goes. Let's twist here. pretty good. So yeah, so you just have to make it level, the top of the mold. Get all the concrete from inside the hole. Some people put a little a piece of cardboard or something over the hole so that it doesn't fill up with concrete. I just dig out the concrete after I pour it. And usually it's really easy to clean up the hole. Alright, so that's pretty good. Okay, so there's different ways to add the metal ring. You can pour half the concrete, make it level, put the ring on, and then put the rest of the concrete in. What I like to do is just pour all the concrete and then just push the metal ring in. And then I just have to re-level the weight. All right, so I'm gonna smooth out the concrete with the back of the shovel here. All right, there we go, all done. The mold has to sit for 24 to 48 hours, usually 48 hours, 24 if it's like really warm out. All right, it's looking like it's gonna rain, so I'm just gonna put a trash bag over this weight so that it doesn't get destroyed by the rain. Also, if it's really sunny out, you should also consider covering your weight. You don't want your concrete to dry out too fast.